How to add text in CapCut. CapCut allows you to add stylish text to your videos with effects, animations, and customization option. You can do this on both Android and iOS. So let's get started. First of all, open the CapCut on your phone. Once inside the CapCut, you can simply tap on the new project and select a video from gallery. So here I'm simply selecting the video I had saved on CapCut, but if you have any new project, then you can tap on the new project, browse through gallery and choose one. So let's just tap on the video. Now once inside the video, tap on the text option in the bottom menu. You can simply see text with T initial at the bottom. You can simply tap on it. Then select add text. You can simply see add text option available at the corner. Now type your desired text in the box. Once you type down your desired text, you can choose different font, different color, different stroke outline, different background, shadow, spacing, and you can customize it as much as you want in the CapCut app. Now all you have to do is place it wherever you want, drag the text box on the screen to position it. In the timeline, you can also adjust the text layers duration to match your video as well. Now once the placement is done, you can simply export the video by tap on the export button in the top right corner. But if you want to change the font, then you have the various options available at the bottom. Here I am choosing any randomly, but you can go through all this and check one by one. And once done, so tap on the export and download this video to your gallery. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.